Hello students. In this video, we will be reviewing how to make inferences and determine the author's tone in reading passages. So, first of all, what is an inference? An inference is the conclusion you make based on clues and evidence in a reading passage. Let's look at an example. Since she was a little girl, Mary has dreamed of traveling around the world. She has been saving money for years and researching the countries she would like to visit. She just requested 3 months leave from her job. After reading that, you can make the inference that Mary is about to take her trip around the world. The author never explicitly states that, but we can infer that that is what is going to happen based on the clues, especially the clue that she just asked for 3 months off at work. Let's practice. Pause the video while you read the question and make your choice. The correct answer is B, Emily. Though it is not explicitly stated in the passage, we can infer that the movers will charge Emily more money since they will have to wait for her to finish packing. Let's do one more practice on inferences. Pause the video while you read the question and make your choice. The correct answer is B, Ryan will be fired. We can eliminate answer C because the passage has nothing to do with buying a car. We know Catherine will not be the one to be fired because she's a good employee, but there is nothing in the passage that would suggest she'll be getting a promotion. When reading a passage, it is important to determine the author's tone. The author's tone can be objective, or, in other words, unbiased. It may not be obvious what the author thinks or feels about what he or she is writing. On the other hand, the author may be writing subjectively, and his or her opinion and feelings on the topic may be inferred by the reader. Let's look at a couple of examples. Can you determine which has an objective tone and which has a subjective tone? The first example says, several tornadoes plowed through central Kansas, leaving massive destruction behind. Officials have estimated that the tornadoes have caused $6 million in damage. Now let's look at the second example. Mayor Smith's time in office has improved our city significantly. She has undone much of the damage caused by our previous mayor, and we will continue to see progress while she is in office. Which of these passages has an objective tone? If you said the first one, that's correct. The author is simply stating facts, but we don't know his or her opinion or feelings about the tornadoes and their destruction. In the second passage, the author is expressing his or her feelings and opinions about Mayor Smith, so it is subjective. More specifically, the tone is positive or even optimistic. Okay, let's practice. Pause the video while you read the question and select the best answer. Which answer did you select? The correct answer is B, negative. The author of this passage makes his or her feelings known, so we know the tone is not objective. The author states that the government has failed and that it wastes time, which suggests a negative tone. Let's do a final practice. Pause the video while you read the question and select the best answer. The correct answer is A, objective. The author gives information about bullying, but his or her opinions and feelings on the matter are not evidence. For more information on inferences and tone, visit the web link section on Blackboard.